What's good, y'all? You back with Streets, Freestyle Cooking with Streets. Thanks for tuning in. Like always, I hope everybody out there is safe and healthy. And of course, you already know what it is. Got another great recipe video to share with y'all. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Always appreciate you coming through, showing me love. Dig? If this is your first time on my channel, please hit that subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my latest recipe videos, y'all. I'm telling y'all, y'all love it here. We get it down. Dope recipes, we get it in. Let's do it. Alright, so today, y'all, I had to bring this one to y'all. Real quick one. I was at my butcher getting my usual meats and so forth. They had some chicken chops, y'all. That's what I got on the bowl right now, up on the board. Some chicken chops. So we're going to do a chicken chop recipe. We're going to do a black pepper sauce and chicken chop recipe. You feel me? We're going to get it in, y'all. Alright? And if you can't find chicken chops for this recipe, because I know markets and nobody always has chicken chops, you could use pork chops. You could use boneless chicken thigh. You know, do your thing, okay? It apply to all right? But we got some chicken chops, man. If you can find some, get them, so y'all can try this recipe, all right? So let's get it in. Let's do it. All right, y'all. So now the first thing you want to do after you get your chops cleaned up, like I got mine, got them cleaned up, dry. You can actually cut off these bones. I'll probably do that. And you got them cleaned up, ready to go. We want to go ahead and put together a marinade, all right? So let me put this to the side. Got my bowl. So we're gonna do a real quick marinade. I'll do, and that's about maybe 2 pounds of chicken chops I got going on. I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm gonna add about I would say, because sesame oil is high power, so I'm gonna add about 2 teaspoons. And I'm gonna go ahead and add some garlic powder. Alright, about 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. And I'm going to go ahead and mix that together. Alright, get my bowl. Matter of fact, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to get a storage bag. Get my chops up in the storage bag. There we go. Get my chops up in the storage bag. And I'm going to go ahead and pour my marinade all over the chops. And we want to go ahead and marinate this for about a half hour to an hour. Alright, and anytime you're marinating something, the longer, the better. Alright, get the marinade up, mixed up in there like so. We're going to let that marinate for a half hour, y'all. Now, while my chops is marinating, I'm going to go ahead and grind up some peppercorns. You could just use regular cracked black pepper if that's what you had. You know, I'm adding a little bit of twist to it, so I got this peppercorn mix. So I got the white peppercorn, the green peppercorn, the pink peppercorn, the black peppercorn, all in one. This is going to add like a really nice flavor to my sauce. So we're going to go ahead and just get these grinded up. And you know, you can just grind up enough for the recipe if you want. You don't need a whole lot of pepper. I usually grind up a little, you know, like I like to keep this on hand. So I'm going to grind up a little extra, but you just want to go ahead and get your peppercorns in there, grind them up. If you don't have the peppercorns, just some cracked black pepper, alright? So let's get this to grinding. Alright, y'all, there we go. Got it finally ground up, as you can see. Mind you, you're not going to need all this pepper. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I like to keep extra for other recipes, but once you get your pepper grounded up, it's ready to go. So we're just waiting for the marinade. Get this thing moving, y'all. Real quick, easy recipe. Let's do it. Right, next, we're going to get started on our sauce. So right now I got about a cup of ramen broth in my measuring cup. I got about a cup of broth. You can use beef broth. I'm just using, all I had was ramen broth. You can use beef broth, chicken broth, any kind of broth you like. I'm going to also go ahead and add about a couple tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm also going to add about a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Next, I'm going to add about a quarter cup of flour. I'm also going to add about a tablespoon of brown sugar. Next, I'm going to add about a teaspoon of my pepper, my ground pepper. And I'm going to add just a pinch of salt. You know, the soy sauce already has salt in it. So just a pinch and we're good to go. You also want to chop up some fresh garlic, some shallots, okay? Or a red onion, whatever you got. Next, I'll go ahead and mix this one up, get it all stirred up. I'm telling y'all, this is a real quick one. This is a real easy one, man. Alright, once we got this really incorporated and solid, I'm going to go ahead and set that to the side. Okay, next you want to get out a pan. Put about a tablespoon of oil in, some olive oil. Set it to a medium high. Let your pan start to heat up. Once your pan is heated up, go ahead and add your shallots or onion if that's what you're using. And we're just going to saute this for a few seconds, you know, not long. After about 30 seconds, go ahead and add your garlic. And we're going to stir that up. You don't want to burn the garlic. So I would say maybe another 30 seconds or so. Alright, once you got a little bit of color on your garlic, go ahead and add the sauce. We're going to bring that to a boil. And once you get it to a boil, keep stirring it until it gets thick. And we're going to let it simmer about 5 to 10 minutes. Just stirring it up until it starts to thicken, y'all. I could just smell... If you could just smell the sauce like I'm smelling it now, man. I'm ready to take the spoon out now and start eating. As you can see, it's starting to thicken. There we go. Sauce is complete. Oh yeah. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put that on a low heat. Simmer while we get our chicken chops ready. Alright, got my chops about to marinate. As you can see, I done cleaned them up, cut off all the excess bone I was telling you about earlier. Alright, so I got them in nice, good looking pieces here. Now what you want to do is you want to get a skillet and cook these for a few minutes on each side till they turn like a golden brown. You know, you get a nice little crust on them. But what I'm going to use is, I'm going to use the air fryer. because I just love using the air fryer because it's quick and it's fast. You feel me? And I'm gonna just dump them in there, get these things done. All right. So if you're using the air fryer, you want to go ahead and preheat your air fryer. You want to preheat it to 375. Well, let's say, yeah, you want to preheat it to 380 for a few minutes, and then we're gonna get our chops up in there, yo. Okay, my air fryer is preheated. Now I'm ready to put my chops in. You don't want to overcrowd it, so you might have to do it in batches depending on how many chops you got, but trust me, it will be quick. All right, we're gonna do this for 15 minutes at 380 and flip it halfway through. All right, lightly spray the inside of your air fryer, put your chops in. Let's get this popping, y'all. Let's do it. And there we go, y'all. Chicken chops is done. Got them up out the air fryer. Looking real nice. Look at that, man. And if you're using the skillet, this is the color you want to get them to. Nice golden color. Good crust. Oh, yeah. Now the only thing left to do is top it with the black pepper sauce. Black pepper sauce. Alright, y'all, got my black pepper sauce on there. Oh yeah, looking real good. You can also garnish it up. Got me some green onions. And there we go, y'all, finish. That's what I'm talking about, man. Got our chicken chops with the black pepper sauce ready to go. You can make whatever sides you want with this, you know, whatever vegetables, whatever your favorite sides, they're good to go. Or you could just eat it just like this, you know, get a plate, serve it up, go in. You know what I mean? Freestyle cooking with streets, man. There ain't no rules to it. You know what I mean? Right? So I had to share this with y'all, man. Glad y'all came on board to watch it. You know, this is what I was in the mood for. Like I said, chicken chops, I don't come across them all the time, but had to share this recipe with y'all. Alright? So please subscribe, like, share, hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with the latest videos. Comment, holla at me, y'all. Let me know if you tried it. Let me know what you think. You know what I mean? What you want me to do? Try something different. Holla at your boy. You dig me? And y'all already know what it is. About to go in. Holla.